Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a custom banner yet again because the old copy and paste thing has been removed, so now you need a mod to do it. So I'll show you what mod you need, how to install it, and how to get your custom banner. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so first things first, you're going to come over to Nexus Mods, make an account, and you're going to go to the banner paste mod page, which I'll put in the description for you. So then you go to Files, go to Manual Download, and then pick Slow Download, unless you've got Premium, in which case you do Fast Download obviously. Then that will put it into your downloads here. It'll be in your download thing. Just cut that, this, go to your Steam, right click Bannerlord, go to Properties, go to Local Files, browse Local Files. This will bring it up here. As you can see, I've already got a WinRAR folder in here. So you take this, put it into modules, and then extract it here. So you do this and then extract. Obviously I've already done it, so that's there. I can delete this now. Right, and I'll show you how you turn that on in the game as well, so give me a sec. Okay, now that you start your game, go to mods and go to a little checkbox next to banner paste and enable it. So as you can see, this is disabled, this is enabled, and then press play. Okay, now that you've got Bannerlord open, you want to press B on your keyboard, and that's going to open up your banner editor. Just like last time, if you've already done this and watched my other video. Then we're going to come back to bannerlord.party. I'll put the link to this website in the description. Again, this is the same as last time if you watched the other video, like before they changed how this all worked, but we're going to quickly make a banner here. Get rid of these. Something at random here. Oh, I didn't. What? There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's just something quick we've done. We're going to copy the code here, go into the game, Control V, and there we go. Got our custom banner. Press done here. We'll see you've got it in game as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope it helped you guys out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.